Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Accounts Guru. Dear friends, you all know that if we sow a thought, we reap an action. If you sow an action, you reap a habit. If you sow a habit, you reap a character. And if you sow a character, you reap a destiny. It means what? If you want to shape your destiny, everything starts from a thought. And this is what I realized when I was taking the peak performance across the globe from so many years. And recently I saw when the Indian team lost their two crucial matches, one with the Pakistan, other with the New Zealand. So do you know what problem was there with the Indian team? The right mindset before the matches. And this is going to happen with so many students before the board exam, which are going to start approximately after 30 days. What I will suggest you, this is your dream examination. Just check out with your performance. Are you ready to just go and face the board examination term 1? If no, I have a good news for you, and that is my own designed 21 days peak performance mastery challenge for the commerce students. So let us today understand what is this good news, what is this program is all about, and what all I have to deliver to you all. So let's see what is this 21 days peak performance challenge, which is going to start from 10th of November. So in this video, I'm going to explain each and everything about this program. So be with me till the end. So in this revision program, what I have, so whatever days we have got, you are there with me for 45 long hours. Yes, your whole tension, your whole worries about accountancy will be resolved in these 45 hours. And what all we are going to do in this, number one, I will be sharing with you the mock papers, the assessment series, the worksheets, 1000 live MCQs with me, assertion and reason based question, HOTS question, everything in these 45 hours. 151 important concepts on the basis of which we normally make the papers in the board examination. 1000 plus MCQs live discussion with me on one-to-one. It's not a recorded program. It's a live program in which you're going to deal with me, in which you have to face me, in which we'll be discussing various HOTS and exclusive questions which are going to be there in the board examination. Then we'll be having the 5 assessment tests plus the 3 mock means the guest paper. You have to solve all this on my portal accountsguru.info. We have designed this PPMT test series get, set and go. Out of these 3 live mock papers, 2 will be in the November 21st and 28th, and the other will be on the 11th of December, that is between the off days which you are getting for the board examination. Then we will having a live discussion of solutions of mock as well as the assessment papers. Tough topics which are tough, for example in the case of issue of shares, how to find the capital reserve, how to find the capital employed in the ROI formula, or how to do the guarantee or past adjustment question, that will be catered in this 45 hours. Hidden secrets, because as you all know, I have been into writing books of together with my new book. The EAD sample papers are out, and I hope you must have got your 1 copy and you have started practicing from that amazing book. So after so much long experience of book writing workshops, what I know that there are certain areas which the student, they don't concentrate, don't focus, and those particular concepts and topics, when they see in the board examination, they are not able to solve. So all those hidden secrets and my numeric techniques for all those tough topics which are not able to handle, I'll be sharing those tips and techniques with you. Then the hidden secret to solve the hot MCQ in less than 30 seconds, how to crack those questions. Then you'll become a part of the CBSE Super Achievers WhatsApp group. In that, we will be discussing the doubts day and night. Then you will be a part of my Accounts Guru army. So friends, let us discuss what all I have for you in the online peak performance mastery test series. One is a 45 hours live course. पढ़ाने के अलावा, apart from teaching you live, what we will be having the test series, the assessment series, because what I believe, there are 2 types of education. One is the knowledge oriented, other is the marks oriented. In these 45 hours, I'll be giving you the knowledge, and in this assessment mock papers, I'll be checking whether you are able to understand those concepts or not. Then these papers and mock papers will be strictly based on the board pattern. The timing and the days are 21st November, 28th November and 11th of December. All papers will be at 11:30 am exactly at the board timings what the CBSE is planning to hold such examination. 20 minutes you'll be getting for the reading time, and once all these papers are conducted, even these papers are planned by me, designed by me, so you will get a quality papers. I will be discussing the common mistakes of all the assessment papers. Then we will be holding a online felicitation function for the teachers as well as the students. then what all you will get, because when you are appearing for some test, then you must be rewarded. So what all prizes you will be getting from my side, let me just share with you. And the first thing, the very exclusive prize for the overall topper of this 21 days mastery program, I will be giving him a iPhone. Yes, and if there are more than one topper, we'll have a lucky draw for that. But apart from this, the all other participants, all those who are participating in this 21 days mastery challenge, each one will be getting my video course of term 1, full video course of term 1 worth rupees 32,000. Live master classes during those off days between 8th of December to 12th of December, you will be with me. I'll be training you for the main 13th December examination worth rupees 8,000. Then last, we have the motivational and goal setting sessions by me. As you all know, I'm a success coach, I'm a motivational speaker, and I'm a NLP master trainer trained by the world #1 trainer Tony Robbins from USA. So I know the strategies how to make your mind cool, because what happened with India, with Pakistan and New Zealand, they didn't keep their head cool. And many toppers I've seen in the past, that just because they are suffering from anxiety, they're suffering from stress, they spoil the paper with anxiety, with sadness, with depression. So I'll be taking care of that also, apart from the accountancy. So all the commerce subjects, I want you should do well. So these are the prizes for you. Next, the bonus gifts. What are the bonus gifts? That whatever basically the commitment charges, the nominal charges you will be paying for this course, you will be getting term 2 video course free of cost, the first 100 student. It means what you are giving as a commitment charge for my NGO, you are getting back. Fine. Then free English session by a CBSE expert. Again, a big benefit, because after the 12th class, 90% of the students, they go for the entrance examination coaching. All the top institute of the India are friend of mine, and from that also you will be getting a 25% off. Again, a big benefit for you all. Then individual career counseling after 12th, what you want to go, what you want to become, what you want to pursue, I'll be guiding with my team. Next, a special exclusive prize for teachers. Our teachers are the unsung hero. इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं आप लोगों के लिए, इतनी doubts, queries आप पूछते रहते हैं सुबह शाम. Even from my worksheet from 21 days peak performance challenge, you'll be asking the queries. वो आपकी help कर रहे होंगे. उनके return में क्या मिलना चाहिए? What I feel, humble recognition in the form of a small trip for Dubai. They will be flying with me for Dubai. All those teachers who are having their 50+ students for this amazing program. And even the teachers, they will get a chance to work with me for my future peak performance programs. How to join? First thing is, everyone was worried about to know how much charges, how much fees. It's not in lakhs or thousand. It's just a small humble registration commitment charges. I will say a commitment charges from your side is 999. It is again for the team who is organizing the entire program, the graphic designer, the video editors, the team, my NGO who is into doing charity. As you all know, every week we are going to the slum areas. We give the food to those people who can't get a chance to have a one meal in a day. Even we are providing the free education, free workshop, free webinars for the schools, even for the students, those who can't afford the costly private classes or the books. So we are doing so much, and this will be done out of the money, whatever the commitment charges you are paying to us. To be very honest, how to pay? 3 options. One is a Paytm or Google Pay at the 981199023748, or transfer to my company, Teaching Point Tutorials Private Limited, or directly. If you can want to skip these 2 steps, you can skip, and directly you can go to my mobile app Accounts Guru, go to the store section, find this course, live course 21 days peak performance, and you can just enroll directly into that course. After this, what you have to do, go to the my website www.accountsguru.info and register by filling up the form, so that I know who all have registered. And on that portal only, all the assessment tests will be conducted professionally. You will be having your personal individual page, the dashboard for you, in which you can see your performance, your mistakes, your marks, the answers key. Everything will be provided you on the individual page of yours. Yes, all exclusive at my website www.accountsguru.info. Once you complete the registration process, WhatsApp your details at these 2 numbers, 9211934072 or 98714174484. And one exclusive orientation program will be conducted before 10th of November. That will be intimated in the WhatsApp group. And After that, you are there with me on the journey of CBSE Super Achiever. So this is all about the program, all about how you can join, and these programs are available even for the other subject. Apart from accountancy, we have for economics, business studies, maths, and even for the English. So you can enroll for those programs also once you are clear with this concept. So friends, I hope you must have gone through all this thing, 45 hours of live interesting, 151 important concepts, 1000 MCQ live, 5 assessment plus 3 mock papers, live discussion of these solutions also of these papers, then the tough topics made easy by my own developed numeric techniques, hidden secrets to solve the MCQ in less than 30 seconds, and these are the 3 dates, you can note it down, 21st November, 28th and 11th of December, and these are the prizes. So now let's move to the mentors who all are doing this. Myself, Dr. Vikas Vijay, author of Together with Accountancy and Business Studies, and my elder brother who is the author of Together with Economics and Business Studies. From last 25 years, we are the trainer, we are the expert for CBSE teachers and students. We have been mentoring students, we have worked in the school also for 15 years. So we as teachers, we as authors, we are the one who will be holding your hands till the board examination. We want a smile on your face and to say that yes, I have scored full marks after joining the Accounts Guru 21 Days Peak Performance. I believe anything which you do on a consistent basis for 3 weeks, that is the 21 days, it becomes a habit, and then you come up with the flying colors, and then you are consistent to perform better and better each day. So this is what we have for you all. Let's join hands together and see you all in the 21 Days Peak Performance Mastery channel. All my students, all my faculty members, do share with your students so that they can have their dream success. So download my mobile phone app Accounts Guru, go to the store section, look for the course 21 Days Peak Performance and enroll ASAP. Let us meet for the orientation program soon. So bye bye. God bless you all. Take care. Love you all.